Hello children, let's learn about the letters of the alphabet. Let's learn about letter D. Letter D says D in words. Can you make this sound? To make the D sound, start by placing the tip of your tongue just behind the top front teeth. Then release a small burst of air as you say the sound D. You can say the D sound in a quick burst like this, D. Let's look at some examples of words that begin with the D sound. Say the word dog slowly and listen to the sound of letter D at the beginning. Practice saying D, dog, and notice how your tongue feels when you make that sound. Let's meet some words that begin with letter D. D, dolphin. D, dinosaur. D,
dice,
D, doll. D, door. The D sound can also be heard at the end of words like bed, bed, rod, rod, and sad, sad. Place your hand on your throat as you say the D sound and notice the vibration. This happens because D is a voiced sound. Now let's air write uppercase letter D. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write an uppercase D, start at the top, pull down, pick up, curve around to the bottom. Let's try this again. Start at the top, pull down, pick up, curve around to the bottom. You can pause this video and practice some more. Now let's write lowercase letter D. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write lowercase letter D, start below the middle, curve up, around, up, pull down. Let's try this again. Start below the middle, curve up, around, up, pull down. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are many more letters to learn about in this series, so do keep watching.